Hi everyone, in this video Top 5 Picks brings the top 5 best entry-level DSLR cameras for beginners in 2021 for you. Through extensive research I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether their price, performance, and particular use we got you covered. For more information on the products I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like this video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In 5th place, we have Canon EOS Rebel T6i, also known as the best design beginner's DSLR camera you can find on the market in 2021. When we think of design, we generally think of style or color. But in the case of the Canon EOS Rebel T6i, it's ergonomics that stand out. This entry-level DSLR bests the competition with top-notch comfort to ensure a steady grip and steady shots. Since the way a camera fits in the hand is crucial, the T6i's large grip makes it especially comfortable for every hand size. Fortunately, the camera's performance is also on par with its design, with a 24.2 megapixel Dig6 CMOS sensor to capture sharp and vibrantly colored photos and 1080p Full HD video. Take photographs using either a manual viewfinder or the 3-inch LCD articulating touchscreen. The LCD display also doubles as a quick menu system for easily adjusting control settings like autofocus, exposure, and aperture, as well as reviewing images and video. Once you've filled up the memory card, the T6i's built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology make it quick and easy to offload material to any compatible device via Canon's downloadable Camera Connect app. In 4th place, we have Canon EOS Rebel T6, also known as the best value beginner's DSLR camera you can find on the market in 2021. Canon's EOS line of cameras is widely considered some of the best around and the Rebel T6 is no exception. Featuring an 18-megapixel CMOS sensor, Dig4 Plus image processor and ISO up to 6400, the Rebel T6 is a terrific value for beginners looking to dip their toes into the DSLR world. The 9-point autofocus system on the T6 is both fast and accurate, allowing pictures to be captured as they happen, especially when you have a fast-moving subject. The optical viewfinder pairs with the 3-inch LCD display for lining up and steadying the camera for capturing the perfect image of your subject. The 170-degree view with the display combines with adjustable settings such as AF, ISO, point selection and flash options. It allows beginning photographers to focus less on a dizzying array of settings and instead allows operators to focus on the joy of photography and capturing subjects. Beyond image capture, with both Wi-Fi and NFC built in, it's easy to transfer images from the camera to a computer or smartphone. In 3rd place, we have Nikon D5600, also known as the best DSLR camera for beginners you can find on the market in 2021. The D5600 is a modern, feature-rich DSLR that takes great 24.2 megapixel photos with its DX format CMOS sensor and takes Full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second. If you're with a challenging photo subject, this model also has 3x optical zoom and the ability to shoot at 5 frames per second. For connectivity, the D5600 lets you share photos directly to your phone or tablet using the SnapBridge app. What sets the D5600 apart from many other DSLR cameras is its 3.2-inch multi-angle touch LCD screen that acts like a smartphone screen with the ability to pinch, zoom and even set focus with your fingers. It's also great for selfie because you can point the screen in the same direction as the lens. In 2nd place, we have Sony a6000, also known as the best mirrorless camera for beginners you can find on the market in 2021. The Sony a6000 is a mirrorless camera that can work as a great option in lieu of traditional DSLRs. As a mirrorless, it's lighter and more compact than the other cameras on the list, not requiring the optical viewfinder of bulky mirror box required by DSLRs. On its own merits, the a6000 can take fast snaps with its 24.3 megapixel sensor and has one of the fastest autofocuses you can get. This makes it particularly easy for beginners. The controls are simple, with 2 quick-access dials that can be changed easily. It boasts a OLED viewfinder and is capable of shooting 1080p video at 60 fps. The base unit comes with a standard macro and zoom lens, which should be everything you need to get started. In first place, we have Nikon D3400, also known as the overall best DSLR camera for beginners you can find on the market in 2021. The follow-up to the beloved Nikon 3300, the Nikon D3400 improves on the original in every way, including a boost in battery life and a slightly lighter camera body. While the D3400 offers the same APS-C sensor and 24.2 megapixel count as its predecessor, it does so with nearly double the battery life. Along with battery life improvements, it also adds SnapBridge, Nikon's Bluetooth-ready photo transfer system to move images from your camera to your smartphone. Nikon also upgraded the D3400 to 1080p video at 60 frames per second, which is a speed that has become increasingly standard on DSLR cameras in the entry-level space. Last but certainly not least, is the inclusion of ISO 100 to 25600 on the 18 to 55mm VR kit lens for capturing greater picture detail. The standout price-to-performance ratio, comfortable frame and fast performance make the D3400 the best choice for jumping into the DSLR world. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below. All entry-level DSLR cameras for beginners are available on Amazon. You can check the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.